So today we're doing a faux Limewash paint using regular paint, and spoiler alert, it turned out amazing, it's super easy to do and it's way cheaper. I'm Ann, by the way, thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button so we can start right away. What you'll need for this project is just regular wall paint, that's it. However, you should get two different shades of it. I got these two cream colors from the same color palette but two different shades. They should be water-based and matte finish. You'll need a few more things, but we'll get to that in just a minute. Now let me first show you the space we're working in. Yup, it's my kitchen. I wanted to do something to this wall to elevate this space, so I figured this is the perfect opportunity to try and DIY a faux Limewash effect. Limewash looks so gorgeous, but can be hard to find and can be a bit pricey, so that's why I decided to DIY it. But first, let's clean things up. Now that everything's cleaned up, it's time to prep the space. And trust me, wherever you're doing this, you wouldn't want to skip this step. I'm covering everything with this protective sheet and I'm taping it with painter's tape. Also, before painting a wall, always make sure to cover the holes if there are any. To do this, I used some leftover plaster and a plastering trowel. And now it's time to prime the walls. I used some leftover acrylic wall primer I had at home and I covered everything. This is an important step to ensure maximum adhesion, since better paint adhesion means the paint will be easier to apply and the paint job will last longer. And now it's time to Limewash. As I already mentioned, I got two different shades of beige color. They are this cream toned, they are water-based and matte finish. And I'm now pouring them both into this painting plate. I tried to separate them using painter's tape and it actually worked great. We are also going to need a bowl of water. I did not get a fancy Limewash brush, however, it's true, the thicker the brush is, the easier it will be to do this project. Mine's about 2 fingers thick. And now we start by dipping the tip of the brush in the water. It should be wet but not dripping. We're dipping the brush in the paint, however, one half in the one shade and the other half in the other shade. And now we paint. I just went on in X's, same as you would apply a regular Limewash. This was a super easy and fun process for me. Also note that every time you need more paint, you repeat the whole process again. Water first, half of one paint, half of the other, and go in X's. even if it's just the beginning, you can already see the shapes forming and looking absolutely gorgeous. Plus, I know it looks like it takes so much effort to do this, but trust me, this is so easy to do. Since we're watering the paint, it applies so smoothly. Once I covered everything, I left it to dry for 2 hours straight before going in for the second coat. And again, I'm repeating the same process with the water and the paint. This method works so well and I'm honestly shocked myself. And now it's time for the finishing touches. We are removing the painter's tape. We are removing the protective tape. We are touching up everywhere we might have missed using a smaller brush. And we're styling the shelves with some wine glasses. And now, are you ready to see how it turned out? Thank you so much for watching. Head on to check out my concrete wall DIY next. I'm sure you're going to love it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye!